Let's take a look at this beautiful date, 29th of December 2011, and we want to do something with it. We want to add 2 days to it. But we're experienced engineers. We don't really trust computers. So we want to be extra sure. Difference here is exactly 2 days. So we want to check it. We just subtract one from the other and check how many hours are here. I would expect something around 48. Poll time, who thinks it's going to be 48? Yeah, I'm not really convincing. Okay, the answer is, in fact, this code doesn't compile. And the reason behind that is time zones. Those dates are calendar dates. They doesn't make much sense without a time zone, because right now it can be 29th of December, and in the United States it can be 28th of December. So we need a time zone. But again, it's not sound really convincing, so I'll give you a better example. There's a country, Samoa, which used to trade, and probably still trades, with Australia. And the accountants decided that it's really hard to do all the bookkeeping with all the time zones, and they decided to change their time zone. The trick here is they changed it from -10 to +14, meaning they skipped 24 hours. To be more precise, there are no 30th of December in Samoa in 2011. It was 29th of December, and then it's 31st of December. It's a bit complicated. So if this code were to work in Samoa, this code would print 24. There's 2 days difference, but 1 day never existed, so it's 24 hours. And we want to fix that, so we're adding time zone to the functions, which is already less beautiful and not that nice, but at least it fixes the problem. If we'll write this code and deploy it on user mobile, and the user happened to be at aircraft at the moment of this computation crosses time zone boundary, the default system time zone will change, and this computation will stop making any sense. This error would be impossible to debug, impossible to figure out. It's really obscure. It's just incorrect computation. Probably we should do something about that. The answer is, let's confine this computation to some syntactic scope. And it's like not that nice, and it's so not obvious. You cannot figure that out. IDE won't help you. Really disappointing. And reason number 3 why we can have nice things is software reflects real world, and real world has a lot of complexities.